Hello. In this video we shall have a look how you can join text and data together, especially on printing them on a user interface. So now I have here this example, but there is no text here on printing, so I print text and data at the same time. So let's see here. It's still the same page, a little bit taken away text here. So now I have here a paragraph where I want to print both text and data. And here it is. So the result is here, and I wish to print here the same text as it was earlier example. And I think I copy and paste it so it takes less time. So here is the word string element which I want to print. There is the text, the name that I have read from the user interface, and then again another text. And I join them together with a plus operator. Okay, I save it. And let's see here, I refresh it to get the code and now put my name here, and there you see. The other text here, as you see, go down because now the paragraph here is empty and it doesn't take any space when it's empty. So that's why it's quite often nice to have some text there and then you just print the data, but it's possible to do it this way as well. Okay, then for here I would put you an example that you first define a variable where you put all the input data. So I again a little bit copy, so you don't need to watch me to write. So here I now have the text and number or data that I want to print, and I put it in a variable, and then I print it using again this inner HTML, and then I just say that okay, I want here text. And let's see it here. Again, I reload this and I put the digit here, and now there you see text and data. The last example here is that quite often it's when you have text that you want to print with data is to put them or define them as a constant. The constant is like a variable, but you can't change its content while after you have started to run the application. So again the same example, and then I want here to print. So at first I want to print the Celsius degrees, which I have read from the user interface, then this text Celsius, then equal to Fahrenheit degrees, which I have calculated here, and then this Fahrenheit text. And let's see how this looks like. Okay, not very nice because there should be a space between number and this text. So I think I put space here. And then let's have a look what it looks like. First I'll reload. Okay, and now I have this text. Let's assume that I want now, when I change here another number, I wish to keep this here and then put the other calculation so that it will go on the next line. So what I want that after this one, I want that there will be a new line. So I put here this BR, which is a line break in HTML code. And then I want to say that keep what already is here and put this one after. So actually what I want that what is already printed, put after it this one. Let's see. And change this one. And then another degree. Okay, maybe let's have some negative degrees. Okay. So to say that, okay, take what already is there and then put after it another printing. This one you can write a little bit shorter. Okay, I comment out this and write another example to you, which is quite common, how to use it. First this one, and then I want to copy this one, and here I just put plus here, and this actually is the same as the longer one, meaning that take what already is there and then print this one after. Okay, I save it, and then let's see. Okay. Okay, quite many decimals, but did not mind it at this time. We study the rounding later. Okay, so that was examples how to join text and data together.